Hey guys, welcome back to DevelopsToday channel. My name is Matthew, and today we are going to have a quick tutorial about how to run ChatGPT-like and the best, completely for free. We're going to run a small language model using Ollama and with a beautiful interface called Open WebUI. So let's go to the computer to start this tutorial.
And let's go! But first of all, what is a small language model? We don't have a consensus about what is a small language model, about a number of parameters, but basically a small language model it's like a large language model but smaller. It has fewer parameters and you can run in your PC, so it's for free. Almost all of the small language models are open source, so you can run it using your GPU, using the VRAM of it, or if you don't have a GPU, you can use your CPU. And some examples of small language models are Llama 3, that is from Google DeepMind, a big company, so Google don't have only large language models like Gemini 2.5 and right now Gemini 3, but they have two open source models. OpenAI have open source models too, like GPT-os. Alibaba have a good one called Qwen, and not the last one but not less important, we have Meta with the Llama. And what is Ollama? Ollama, if you know about Docker, will be easier to understand what Ollama ends in our situation here. And Docker we use to manage containers, manage images, manage volumes, and we are going to use Ollama to manage our local AI models. So let's go install Ollama. So let's download Ollama for my computer. I just searched Ollama here in the Google. I'm going to click in the first link. Here you can download for macOS, Windows or Linux. As I am in Linux here, I'm going to just copy the CLI, but you can download for Mac or Windows. So let's open here a terminal. I'm going to paste here. It's going to ask my password, and while it is downloading, here we can take a look in models. So we have GPT-os that I talked before, we have Qwen, we have DeepSeek, Llama, and we have a lot of personalized models too. For example, people usually get a model here, for example GPT-os, and do a fine-tuning with some data and then upload it here. So you can use, for example, a GPT-os version about compliance, law, about healthcare. There's a lot of different versions about GPT-os, for example. But we are going to take a look in Qwen 2.5. This one, VL, that is a version that we can talk with images too. It is a multimodal. We have a lot of versions here. The latest one, the 3 billion, 7 billion parameters, 32 and 72 billion parameters. I'm going to choose this one. That is the best one that I can run in my computer. I'm going to click here and copy this CLI here that I'll be able to run. Yes, I can run it right now. I'm just going to start the Ollama serve and clear here and start downloading this model. And while that, I'll be able to download it. I'm able to talk with this model right here. So I said hi and it said, hello, how can I see today? What do you know about Ukraine? And then it's going to say about Ukraine and tell me about the music of Ukraine. So don't you think it would be better if I had a front end or an interface to talk with this model? I agree with you. So that's why we are going to download this one, Open WebUI. It is a GPT-like interface. I'm going to scroll down here. Here you can take a look how it works. It's very beautiful and you can use all the models from Ollama here. So I'm going to scroll down. You can use Python Web Package Manager to download it. So if you have Python, go ahead. But I'm going to use this version right here. That is the one that I can, if you have Ollama in your computer, use this command. There is another command here, you can take a look, but for this tutorial we're going to use this one. So copy here, open the terminal, I'm going to open a new tab, And here we go. If I open here my Docker containers, I have the Open WebUI here. So here you go. I'm going to click here and it's going to open here. I'm going to click and get started. And I'm going to put my name here, Matthew, and password here, create admin account. And here we go. We have our interface and it's already recognized that we have Qwen 2.5 here. So I'm going to say, hi. Hello, how can I assist you today? I'm going to search for flower here. I just searched for flowers here in the internet in Google Images. So I'm going to get this one. I'm going to copy this and let's see if this model understands what is in this picture. It's going to take a while because my GPU is not that good, but as you can see, the model understood about the flower. The flower has vibrant blue petals with a darker blue center. So you can even take a look in other models right here. In Ollama, I can type Ollama list to see the models that I have downloaded here. Let's take a look in another models, for example, Llama 3. I can get the 4 billion parameters here and take a look. But another thing that is very interesting is that we can talk with this model. I'm going to allow this time. Hey, how are you doing? Hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How can I help you today?
What do you know about this beautiful country called Ukraine?
Yes, Ukraine is a beautiful country with rich cultural heritage and stunning landscapes. It's known for its diverse landscapes, from the rolling hills of the Carpathian Mountains to the Black Sea coast.
So here's it. You can download another models, you can create new chats. It's an amazing tool. So see you in the next videos. Bye bye.